me to hold my camera to talk to you because my husband is sleeping and I don't want to drop this camera so it doesn't just go ahead to pick my husband, okay, from the bed. Anyways, hi guys, welcome back to Vibe with Sonia channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. And how did you guys enjoy your Christmas? First of all, I want to thank God for every single thing that the Lord has done for me, how far He has brought me. Despite the fact I've been in and out of the hospital, the Lord still kept me, preserved my family. We are so grateful. Despite the fact we lost our mother-in-law, my mother-in-law, it is well. We still thank God for everything. And I want to say a very big thank you to every single one of you that have supported me this year because I know that this is going to be the last video I'll upload on my Vibe with Sonia channel. The next time you guys are going to be seeing me is next year, where we are going to be growing massively, where we are going to be resuming our classes. I know that a lot of you guys have sent me emails, east, west, north, and south, how you want your classes, your channel review, and so on and so forth. I've not been able to respond to all of that because of one issue or the other, but next year we are bouncing back strong. And yeah, I want to say thank you to every single one of you that supported me. I want to say thank you to every single one of you that believed in me. I want to say thank you to every single one of you that love the Vibe with Sonia brand. I do not take you guys for granted. I saw a lot of messages when I went off. I saw a lot of mails coming, checking up on my Instagram. In fact, that one I don't even go there to reply because it's just choking. On my Facebook Messenger, for those ones that have my WhatsApp number on my WhatsApp, you guys are absolutely the best. I appreciate you all. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for joining my membership. Thank you for the super chat all through the live stream that I did. You guys really made 2025 a very peaceful year for me. You guys really made 2025 worth it. So every single one of you that will never skip my ads, thank you so much. You guys made 2025 luxury for me. It was luxury or nothing. And I know that 2026 is going to be massive. I know that eyes have not seen, ears have not heard, neither has it even entered the heart of man what 2026 has in stock for all of us that are YouTubers. Now, I'm not saying it to myself alone, for every single one of us that are YouTubers. Trust me, 2026 is going to be our year of massive cash out. It's going to be our year of massive building. It's going to be our year of massive buying of cars. It's going to be our year of massive doing a lot of things for ourselves and hitting our chest to be like, yes, we did it, and we did it from YouTube. People are doing it and we can also do it. And I pray that 2026 will be greater for each and every one of us watching this video. Subscribe to this channel and also liking, commenting, dropping super thanks, super chats, joining my membership. I can't even believe, like, I started this year with, I don't even think I have up to like 5 membership, but I'm ending this year. I am ending this year. If nobody has joined my membership at all, I've gotten up to over 50 or 100 members. To those ones even renewing, they're not seeing me, but they keep renewing their membership. I'm grateful. Most of the cash out, that was last month, the one I withdrew last month from YouTube because I was not really active, was as a result of my membership. My membership, people renewing their membership, despite the fact that they are not seeing me. Like, there is no other love that is more than this. And I'm so proud of every single one of you out there. I want to say thank you. Thank you, 2025. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you, Vibe with Sonia's. Thank you, every single person. Let's keep the subscribing going. Let's keep the spirit burning. We are not giving up on our channels. In fact, if you have literally given up on your channel this year, 2025, as you're seeing this video, pick up your camera and resume work in 2026. We are going to be cashing out massively, and I believe God that in 2026 we are going to be crossing and receiving our 100,000 subscribers plaque. despite the fact that a lot of people have unsubscribed because I have not been active. Why did you people do that? Anyways, this is just me saying thank you, thank you, thank you to every one of you. This video is just an appreciation video, just to appreciate each and every one of you that have literally come through for me. I do not take you guys for granted. You guys are absolutely the best, like nothing but the best. Anyways, thank you so much for staying stick and hook me to the end of this video. If you have not subscribed and you're seeing this video, my name is Sonia and you're welcome to Vibe with Sonia, where we bring all the vibes here, where we make sure you grow massively, where we show you, hold your hands, and teach you what YouTube is all about. I'll see you guys in 2026. Bye for now. I love you guys. Mwah.